DeepSeek AI has just recently dropped, and in this one I'll be showing you how to run DeepSeek locally in two ways. One of them is going to be using Ollama Studio, which is a more user-friendly way to do it, but I believe it's a little slower and not that expandable. And the other one is simply going to be through the command line using Ollama. First we have a look at Ollama Studio and then we go to Ollama. So let's get started. What you're going to start with is going to ollamastudio.ai. And then here you simply choose your operating system. For me it's Windows, and then you simply download and install it. It's rather straightforward. When you're done with the download, you should be seeing something like this. At this point of time, the very first model that the app will suggest you is going to be DeepSeek R1. Now this one uses the 7 billion parameter one, which is not the best in my opinion, and it's quite slow. For example, is this working? We have to choose our model. Of course, you can choose different type of models as well. You can select how much of the GPU and how much RAM you'd like to give it. I simply load the model on default, and then is this working? Depending on what you have in your PC, this will take more or less time. As you can see, it took about 100 tokens and it used 8 tokens per second, which will result also in about 10 seconds of syncing time for DeepSeek. That's the easy way, and that's a pretty convenient way in my opinion. The other one would be going to ollama.com and then clicking on download. Once that's done, I trust that you went through the installation process. It will take quite a bit of time. Once you go into the docs or the models page, you'll be able to see that there is DeepSeek R1. You can choose from the other ones as well, but since we are talking about DeepSeek, you can choose between the 1.5, 7, 8, 14, 32, and 70 billion, and also the largest one as well. These are, as I said, for the parameters. The larger the parameters, the more efficient the AI will be. For now, I'll just simply go with 7B and then copy this command on the right hand side over here. Open up a terminal. Any kind of command prompt will do since you've installed Ollama. All you have to do is paste in this command. Now it will pull that certain AI model. It will take a little bit of time yet again. Once it's done downloading, you'll be able to send it a message, and then it will answer almost instantly. It's not like the Ollama Studio that you have to wait for it. It simply answers almost instantly, just like you would be using the web version. So with this, we've basically covered two ways on how you can run your own AI locally. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a like. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next one.